Sort of dangle it out and see what they do. What's that? Now make it move a bit. Yeah. Got to make them sort of want it. That's got to be Luna you're touching, I reckon. Because there's Vicky up front. Zala's right in the back corner. And Odin's in the middle of all five. And then the one that's behind Zala right now, that's Kayla. Kira. Kayla.
Not getting the puppies wrong. Getting the names wrong.
Oh, come on, man. It's early morning.
Yeah, I know. What I wanted to say before was someone selling a warmed peat, an electric, a pet bed that's like plug in for an electric warmer type. It's got a little electric blanket for it, yeah?
Oh, yeah, right. They'll piddle on it and electrocute themselves.
I'm not saying for these guys, but the woman put in the ad that her pet didn't want to sleep in it. I was saying, of course your pet doesn't want to sleep in it. It's a big fluffy bed, and then it's got a warmer in it. It's over hot.
Yeah. Good for snow country.
I don't know what dog, no, but even if they have a nut, even if they have a, like...
Oh, look, it's him. It's that human. Can we come up and play with you? No, you're supposed to be playing with toys.
No.
And each other. That's it. Vicky and Zala are squaring up for a nanas. Or were.
He's talking.
Yeah, they're telling each other, come on then. Yeah, well, you two then. Come on.
I started talking and you started talking.
And Odin's like, bugger you, I'll just play with the bloody thing. Don't know what it is, but I'll play with it. Hey, get out of that. That's mine. Excuse me? It's mine, you know. Oh, is that human? Hello, it's me.
Hello. Like a woman attention, don't you?
See, when they're not squawky,
just like the adults.
They come up and they say hello. But when they're crying because they're missing family.
After a while,
Yeah, okay, how do I get around this thing? I go, no, I don't want to go that way. Thank you. They have lots of different little cries. But they have to... She talks to go to sleep. Don't you, Victoria? Yeah, you're a talker to go to sleep. Sometimes you got to pick you up because the talk gets very, very hyper. But most of the time you just talk yourself to go to sleep. Yeah.
Oh, big boy.
And Mr. Odin is Mr. Odin.
Oh.
Oh, well, thank you for the fine view. I'll eat while I'm doing.
Hello. Oh, you come see you, sister. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, you're gonna come up to me. Oh. Oh. There.
Now what?
1, 2, 3.
Those poor puppies.
Oh, we're gonna get a new perspective on life. I'm gonna go over and go to sleep too now. Yeah.
Look there, see?
Come on. I think what I need to do is shut that curtain.
Oh, well, you do, but I wanted it open for a minute because I wanted to catch their play.
Oh, I know that, but I think they're getting grizzly with the light now.
Okay, there you go. Bye.
Yeah.
Sleep tight, little ones.